Welcome to cheapohippo.com, your personal bargain hunter. Sears has the Craftsman 220 PC Mechanics tool set with case for $84.99 after coupon code SAVE15 that expires soon. Must be a Shop Your Way Rewards members to get discounted price, but it is free to join cancel later, to avoid paying membership fees. They charge sales tax in most states. Set includes 3 ratchets, 1 extension bar, 128 sockets, 6 wrenches, 40 hex keys, 1 magnetic holder, 29 screwdriver bit set, and 12 nut driver bits. For more information and to get this deal, click the link in the description section below. For all the latest hot deals, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, or visit our website at cheapohippo.com.